Hello everyone, my name is Ali Asgar. In this video we will discuss about sets. Sets are very essential in mathematics. It has a lot of application in mathematics as well. For example, sets are used in counting techniques. Sets are also used in probability theory. Probability theory means the theory of the chances to find the occurrence of anything. And sets are also used in logic problems where we use and or other kind of techniques. Their set is very important, and as well many other subjects of mathematics which all depends on set theory. That's why we are learning set. For example, when we discuss about group theory, that's when main important topic of the mathematics that completely depends on set theory. And when we discuss about function also depending on the set theory. You know well that it has domain, range and codomain, which are also sets. Okay, so let's start about a set. What is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects is called a set. Okay, every collection may not be a set. Some collections are sets and some collections may not be set. The collection which are well defined are set. For example, let's see, months in a year, names of months in a year, or we can say set of months in a year. This is a set of even numbers. This is also set. These are well defined. Set of maths teacher in your school, that is also set. And these collections are set, but some collections may not be set. For example, not sets. Which are not sets? For example, if a collection, for collection we talk, that is big numbers. Big numbers is not a set. Why it is not set? Because we don't know, or it is not defined here from where the numbers start. Okay, so that's not set. Intelligent people this is also not well defined. We don't know what is criteria for the intelligence. Okay, and so it is also undefined, not well defined. Okay, and we say beautiful people, handsome people or handsome people. That's also undefined, not well defined. So the collections which are not well defined are not set. These are well defined collection. We know which are its elements or which are its member, so these are sets. Okay, how to write a set? We write a set by writing a capital letter and curly brackets and numbers separated by commas. Okay, this is a set. We have written set in tabular method in this way. Okay, these are, let's write some special set of natural number. We call it set of natural number. And set of whole numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. It is set of whole numbers which also consists of 0, but in natural number there is not 0. Okay, and Z is set of integer in which we have negative numbers and positive numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, okay, up to so on. This is set of integers. We call it integers. And set of even numbers. Even numbers are very basic numbers, everyone almost knows about them. And set of odd numbers means plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, it continues. And set of rational numbers. Okay, here we have learned all those numbers which are just whole numbers, complete numbers. When we have numbers in points, decimal points are in fraction form, these are denoted by rational numbers. Okay, set of x such that x belong x, set of x number, set of x such that x equal to p upon q form, means all numbers which can be written in p upon q form, where p and q belongs to set of integer. They may be negative or they may be positive, and q must not be equal to 0, means in device we q should not be equal to 0. Okay, these are set of rational numbers, we call them rational, set of rational numbers. And there is also another set which is irrational, which we cannot write in p upon q form, in fraction form, or are known as irrational numbers. Set of x such that x cannot be written in p upon q form, where p and q belongs to z and q must not be equal to 0. And both rational and irrational, the union of both, combination of both, is known as set of real numbers. Real numbers are which are denoted by r, and it is union of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Thank you for watching my video. Keep on watching my videos. In next I hope so in next video we will learn something more.